Ilang kilometers na nga pa rin natakbo nito?
82.
82,000? So lahat ng service ay ginawa ng ano no, ng dealership.
Oo.
Pero hindi nabuksan, hindi rin na adjust ang barbula. Kung may MUX kayo, ganito ang gawin nyo.
Okay.
Tanggalin niyo yung cover. Ano sabi mo, pre?
Baka mag-court tayo. Ilag-ilag yung dili.
Ito yung cover, so sa top engine cover. Ito yun nandyan, okay? So tatanggalin ninyo. Pag natanggal nyo, once you removed it, and then you inspect all the wirings. Kasi itong mga wirings ito may mga clamps, clips. So nakaklip yan dyan sa mga yan. Pagka hindi pa nagalaw, if it's not been touched, ibig sabihin, that means that your tappets hasn't been done. Hindi nagawa. Look at this one here. Ito. So intact pa siya yung mga wirings ng injectors. Wala pang sign na natanggal. And at the same time, ito yung cover. So ito yung cover ng iyong rocker cover. Yan. Wala pa siya mga seal dito. Liquid gaskets. So yung mga bolts, as you can see guys, wala pang mga sign na natanggal na siya o nabuksan na. So yung doon sa binayaran ninyo, doon sa receipt, replace this, replace that, replace oil and filter, diff oil, gearbox oil, whatsoever. Adjust tappets, but no. So like this condition, nagbayad si kaibigan ko ng tamang exact amount of service, but you know, this is the result. Hasn't been done, the tappets adjustment. So we will help our friend to adjust his MUX engine tappets and see how it goes. So this is it guys, tinatanggal ko na yung mga connections, mga pansit, ito mga wirings, so ang daming wirings niya. So itong brackets, yung electrical connections ng kanyang injectors, tsaka itong frame na to. Dapat malinis siya para ma-access natin yung lahat ng bolts ng cover. Matigas pa. Yan.
Hindi lang ko ano, hindi lang ko tingin lang ko. Ano.
Ito yung connectors ng injectors. Tanggalin natin lahat yan.
Ganda yung bracket ng camera mo.
Yan.
Apat no?
Apat.
So apat yung piston yun.
So yung clips, bago pa yung clips yan, nakakabit pa. Ito naman natin tatanggalin. Ito yung return, diesel fuel return. So tatanggalin natin. Tanggalin natin yan. Clamps, naka-clamps lang yan. Lahat. So be aware tayo kasi yung return nito, dito, yung plug, plastic lang yan. So pwede siyang masira, pwede siyang maputol anytime kung hindi natin ingatan. So we have to be careful of undoing these pipes, hoses. Because this thing here, ito brittle to eh.
Saan bang matang? Ito ba buka? O dito lang apart?
Ito, lahat to. Tatanggalin yan, yung mga 10mm na bolts na yan. So ang style dito, pag magtatanggal, hold here, and then
slide,
pull, and then push. Yun, okay na. Nakaisa na tayo.
Ano yun? Diesel yung tuwan?
Diesel yun, return fuel hose.
Oo, may connector lang no? Yung ano, sa gitna.
Yan. Twist natin siya. And then pull. And then push.
Galing pagka-design. Kapareho lang ang distance dyan. Wala lang ang diameter kakahaba.
Oo. Yan. Ingat tayo dito. Turn. And then pull. And push. Oh, yun. Alright guys. Malinis na. So what we have to do next is ibublow natin ng air para yung dust hindi mapunta sa engine. Ng air. Okay. Tapos next step yung mga bolts na ng rocker cover. So guys, all the bolts are removed. Pwede na natin siyang tanggalin ng rocker cover. Ito na. Medyo sikip talaga tong gawin, kaya walang nagnanasang gawin to. No one does wanted to do this thing. Ako lang. You know, sumabit din dito. Wow. There you go. There we go. Oh.
Yan.
Wala na. Saan pa? Ayun pa. Isang clamp, oh, tingnan mo. Nakakalamp pa. So that's the reason. So, kailangan talagang ingatan guys yung wiring. We don't have to damage the wiring itself, otherwise it'll be a big trouble for the engine. It will throw some codes and electrical will be the issue. So better have to be careful undoing this thing. Do not damage the wiring. Yan! Okay na. Ayaw pa rin. Yun! At last!
Gasket na kalag.
Yan ang gasket. Ang gasket niya.
Sama na or bigyan?
Tatanggalin natin yan. Lalagyan natin siya ng liquid gasket mamaya. Wow! Ang linis yung makina mo, pre! Ang puti!
Ito puti. Ano itong puti? Kasi hindi pa nagalaw ah.
Wow! Guys, this engine is so good.
Hindi pa
Very
nagalaw.
clean. So ito yung camshaft mo. And another camshaft. So we have to undo this cover.
Sa loob dyan.
Yeah, we have to undo that.
So doon sa loob yung i-adjust.
Yeah. Allen
Yung
key.
key.
Oh, Allen key siya. So pwede na yung pre, no? Dealership did not adjust the valve of MUX. Pwede title yun, di ba?
Oo. Yan naman.
Patay naman ako. Kaya ito, kinukuberan ko siya rito eh. I put a rag here. So, secure tayo na. If ever something drop, it will not get inside. Woo! It's more fun.
2, 4, 6, 8.
8 siya. Ang tigas! Hindi pa talaga nagagalaw, Brad. Virgin. Oh! Wow! Oops. Ito pa. Oh! Woohoo! Last. Napaka-awkward gawin ito. Oh! Masakit sa kamay. Oh! Alright.
Okay na. Tapos na.
Na-crack na natin. Isa-isa na natin tanggalin. Yan. Never ever drop this thing.
Saan tayong kahanap niya na?
No, you can't find it. Hindi.
Mag-order ka pa sa Japan. Thailand.
Be careful not to drop these small screws or bolts. Never drop these bolts. Allen key. Okay. So we will pull this out. Yan, nakita na yung dalawang camshaft. Ang linis ng makina mo, pre.
Oo.
Napakalinis.
Kaharap, no?
So clean. So guys, we are still waiting for the engine to get cool because hindi natin siya makukuha yung tamang adjustment. If it is hot, it's still hot, so we have to wait for another 15 minutes to cool down the engine. So here we are, guys. We have waited for 3 hours to cool down the engine, but still warm at the moment. But for me, this temperature is alright. Okay, so we start turning the engine and set up to top dead center, whichever will come first. Like for example, this piston number 1 or piston number 4. Dito tayo sa alternator pulley magte-turn. So I am now turning the engine, setting up to top dead center. Tingnan natin yung timing. So we are close to what we are getting now. Nasaan na yan? There we go. Alright guys, at the moment we are on piston number 4, top dead center. So guys, the question is, how would you know that this is on piston number 4? So obviously you have to look at the cam lobe. So this 1, 2, 3, and 4, they are free. So the timing mark here is you have to base on these two. These two here, it should be lined up to this bracket. And also you'll find the gear, which is, this is a timing mark close to here, and this one here on the other side close to this edge. So that's the point 1, 2, and 3. you're on piston number 4. So we have to adjust this 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this, guys, is the valve clearance that we needed. So it's a 6 thou, 0.152 millimeter. Brad, oh, luwag na luwag, oh. Ayan, oh, luwag na luwag, oh.
Pas na sa 0.152.
Too loose. Luwag lahat, Brad. Oh, ayan, oh.
80,000 na. Dapat 2 beses na.
Yeah. Dapat 2 beses na adjust to kasi 80,000 na.
So iba yung gauge sa ano, every 40. Yung unang 40, baka iba yung gauge na naman.
Nah, it should be
Pareho
the
lang.
same. Parehas lang.
0.152. 0.152.
Pare-parehas lang yan, Brad. So we start this one here. Gagamit tayo nitong improvised na adjuster. This is a 12 mil socket, deep socket with the box range 17. So pwede siyang pumasok yung ating screwdriver. And then we go here.
May guide ka lang talaga.
Yan. Ang laki, oh. Ayan na. So after this, it should have a resistance. After that, let's have a look. There we go. That's the right one we need. So this time it's alright. Now see, you can't fit it in anymore because it's already on the right clearance. Compared to this one here, see? Diba? When the engine is cold, meron siyang ticking noise because of the clearance is too big. Adjust natin ng konti. Ayan, oh. Yan. And then let's have the resistance look. There you go. Nice. Love it. Ito naman. Dito. Yun, oh. So let's just continue doing this.
Sinabihan ko mga 5 o'clock pa kung mag-aaway.
Magagalit na si Ivy.
Wala. Doon sila, nandun sila sa Carbon Park.
Asa kami park?
5 minutes lang.
5 minutes drive. Alin na gamit?
Ang maliit ako sa Kuya Yaris.
Yun, oh.
So dalawa pala na magkabilaan.
Oo.
Ako kasi
Alright.
may doon. May
Kasi ano ka eh, 16 valve ka eh. Pagka tinik mo, dapat ginawa mo, di ba? Akit ng konti. Yan! Oops! Actually, ito lang talagang pinakamahirap tong side na to.
Oo, yung pinakadulo.
Pinakadulo. Ito na. Yun. Have a look. Let's have a look. The best. Kumbaga sa sinukmani, maligat. Maligat siyang nguyain. Ganun ang dating eh. Pagka nasa tamang clearance. Pero alam mo, sa totoo lang, kasi hindi obvious yung kotse mo eh. So, hindi siya masyadong lumaki ng malaki.
Pero ito palagi pa itong naka long drive tapos naka off-road. So, lalong.
Pero kung obvious ang paggamit mo rito, mas malaking clearance yan. I bet you.
Ano lang. Hindi na palagi mag long drive.
Oo. Work, gala, trabaho, work, gala, palengke, church. Tapos na tayo ng isang cycle, ikutin ko uli para iset yung piston number 1, top dead center. Dito siya sa alternator pulley. Naka-timing na uli yan, piston number 1, top dead center. Ito naman yung mark. Ito yung mark. Itong dalawang to ang nasa taas, and then free yung piston number 1, this one here, and the other one here on piston number 3. So this is your exhaust, and this is your intake, and 2 of these on the piston number 1. Kita mo? So ito yung rocker arm, meron siyang roller, ito naman yung camshaft lube niya. So in between. Yan, doon ilalagay yung feeler gauge. Ang luwag oh. Diba? It's too loose.
Kasya ba yung dada? Doblehin mo yung kasya oh. Diyan lang.
Dito. Luwag, then turn, adjuster, screw, and then tight.
Daming ikot ah.
Hindi naman, isa lang.
Yung driver parang...
Oo. Pag na-tight mo, tsaka mo siya hilahin. That's it. Kaya guys, kung kayo ay may MUX at saka DMax, kung di kayo masaya sa dealership, bring it to me. I can help you. We can do it properly. Ang sarap hilahin kasi meron siyang resistance. Luwag oh.
Sobra no?
Sobra. Pero kung ikaw talaga yung kagaya sinabi mo, kung nagtotow ka ng caravan, ay mas malaking clearance ito.
Kasi palagi nagbago yung makina na.
Lagi kang higher revolution. There you go. Very good. Oops. Should be good. Kaya natin doon. Tight. Woo!
Okay.
Sarap. Hilahin. This one here is piston number 2 intake. Intake siya.
Laking distansya.
Login natin and then adjust. Tight. Woo! Sarap. Luwag. Ang daling ipasok. Lahat maluwag.
Kailangan talaga adjust.
Talaga. Tamo, pipino to, under to. Ano yan, mafe-feel mo, napaka-pino niyan. Wow. Piston number 3. Exhaust. So, luwagan natin. And then, adjust. So here you go. Oh, this one, look guys, pagka it's too much tight, you can't remove the feeler gauge. So it's over tight. We have to lose it a bit. Yun ang kagandahan. Hindi siya matatanggal pagka over tight. There you go. Napakaliit lang ng clearance, napakaliit.
0.15.
Parang ganon. Ayan oh. So okay. So, ito naman. Last na to. I can see it properly now. Oh. Yeah, it's lined up. And then tight. Okay, done. Perfect. So we have to tighten all of the adjusting screws once we finished everything to make sure everything is tight. So this is it guys, after we have fitted everything, nakabalik na lahat, mga wirings, vacuum hoses, connectors, itong duct hoses, pressure boost hose, and everything is in the proper place already. So we are ready to start the engine and see how it go. Bro, start mo, please. Yep. Neutral ah. Okay. Start it. That's it. Sounds good. Sounds really good. Alright guys, tapos na tayo. Na-adjust natin ba yung kanyang kotse ni paring Ronald. Thanks for watching my videos and see you next time.